Hey y'all. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to do a water slide. I'm kind of thinking about doing a whole series of videos that's kind of like back to the basics for anybody who's new starting tumblers or just wants to learn something that they haven't tried yet. So this is going to be the first one. I'm going to do a water slide here, the classic sunflower at the top. What I have here is clear water slide paper. I'm soaking it in just kind of like lukewarm water. It doesn't have to be hot. I use a laser printer for this on laser printer paper. That's really important that you get the same type of paper to the type of printer you have. If you have a laser, get laser paper. If you have an inkjet, get inkjet paper. So I did not seal this because it's laser and you don't have to. You can if you're still worried, but for the most part, I never seal laser. So I put it upside down, which is something that not everyone does. There was kind of like a whole movement there for a while where people started doing it, but I actually like it upside down because I do have nails, as you can see, and I often scratch the water slide with the sharp points of my nails. So this way I don't have to worry about it because the ink is actually facing the cup since it's upside down. So I don't need to worry about accidentally scratching. So you just soak it in there long enough to help it separate from the backing and then just place it on your cup. Like I said, you can do it either way, right side up or upside down like I did. And then you just want to start moving around. You can see I pushed a little too hard there and it started sliding, which is totally fine. That's why you wet the cup. I don't know if I mentioned that, but get a little water on the cup so that you can have your cup and the water slide move a little bit easier. You need that little bit of a wet surface for it to glide around so you can position it correctly. Okay, so I'm just going to take like a little spatula. I got this free in an order that I did. So I can't tell you where to get it. But they do make just like silicone paintbrushes even that you can get at like Hobby Lobby that would do the exact same thing here. And I'm just trying to smooth out the water bubbles. You do want to be a little bit careful. Don't put like a whole lot of pressure on it. Because you can like make it wrinkle a little bit more, or you can't even tear it. The paper, it's not super strong. It's kind of delicate. So just be kind of gentle. You can see I keep going back to that one spot is because it's folded over a little bit. But, and one thing I do want to mention, if you are using inkjet, you will need to seal. I use the, oh gosh, what's it called? Krylon Triple Thick to seal my water slides that I use with the inkjet. And so you'll want to do that a couple times, but you have to seal before you cut out your image. If you seal after you cut out your image, it will be stuck together. You won't be able to remove the backing. So just make sure you seal and then cut. And that's pretty much it for a water slide. Just let it sit for about an hour or so before you put epoxy on to make sure it's completely dry and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions for anything, pop them below and you guys know I'll answer.